Welcome back to Coding with Corgi. Today we are just going to go over what a class looks like and what a Java file looks like and how to call your methods. As you can see here on the Repl and on the Photoshop screen, I've got the main method, which is empty, and then I've got dog and cat methods, both which have not been called. So if you see on the black side of the Repl, there's actually nothing being printed out, even though I do have two methods that will print out stuff. So let's go ahead and explain why we have this and why there aren't any errors, which is good. So the first thing I want to talk about is that we have the main class. And the main class has this and this curly bracket. Inside those curly brackets, everything is in there. So when you're creating a class, everything needs to be within the class's curly brackets. And then we got to talk about the main method. So the main method right here has this curly bracket and this curly bracket. And anything that's in these two curly brackets will be run. This is where things run. And last but not least, you have two different methods. You have the dog method, whose body is inside here. Here is the method header. And then you've got the cat method, whose body is inside the green curly brackets. And here's the method header. So the method header is kind of like the title, showing us and the computers, hey, look, this is where the method starts. Notice how the methods are outside of the main method's curly brackets. All the methods go outside the main method's curly brackets. Let me write that down. All other methods go outside. You want pets, Jojo? Main methods curly brackets. Main methods curly brackets. Okay. And any calls to the methods for now should go inside the main method. So this is where you call all methods. Okay, so let's take a look at how to call on a REPL. Well, everyone knows, hopefully you should know by now, that the method name comes first, and then your parameters. So if we're calling the dog method, here's the method name. Parameters, we don't have any parameters, and how I know that is I actually look at the dog method, and I look inside the curly brackets, and I know there's nothing. So the computer expects nothing. If you look here, when I run the REPL, boom, it provides the woof that I want and expect. If I call it again, I bet the method will print woof again, which means you'll see two woofs coming out. There you go. Now let's see what happens if we just put cat. First of all, you get this red squiggly line we don't want, and if you look at the thing, it says the method cat int in the main is not applicable for the arguments. Void main.cat int a. So this is fancy computer speak for saying we need a parameter. If we look again at our cat method, which is underlined in green, it's expecting a parameter of the type int. You don't know about what those are, but all you need to know for now is int is an integer, it is a number. So in the REPL, we need to put some kind of real number in the cat. Jojo is 7 years old, so let's go ahead and put 7 in there. Now you'll notice that meow is printed out because that's exactly what the cat method does. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we will see you in the next Coding with Corgi. Bye!